How many times in your life you set some goals but never achieve them? Well, it happens to all of us, especially when it comes to New Year's resolution. This year was even bigger because it's a brand new decade. Everybody set some goals for their business, their relationship, health, etc. But the harsh truth is that statistic shows by this time, it's February right now, most people already broke their resolutions. So in this video, I want to show you how to set specific goals correctly and how to actually achieve them. Now, I'm gonna talk specifically about business goals, but this 4-step formula really works for everything. Any goal that you are setting when it comes to your business, relationship, health, whatever it is for you, you can use this 4-step formula to finally achieve your goals and not settle. So the first step is to set your targets, right? First thing, this is what most people actually do. They set some target, but what is really important here is to be specific, right? Many people, when they are setting their goals, they are just like really vague, they are broad, right? They are talking about, I want to make more money, I want to be healthier, right? I want to finally find the love of my life. Whatever it is for you, most people just set broad goals or really like big goals that are out of their reach, and it seems impossible to actually hit them. So what is really important, you can actually set a big goal, and I encourage that, but you need to break it down into like more achievable milestones, so you know exactly where you are going, what is that main goal. So when it comes to business and when it comes to what I'm helping my clients to do, for example, where we are selling like coaching programs, digital products, etc., services, you should pick your number, right? You should pick your monthly income goal. What is that monthly income goal for you? And what I encourage my clients to do is, if they are not sure about their monthly income goal target, just write down your ideal life. What is your ideal life? In your ideal life, what are you spending per month? What are your bills? Maybe you want a dream house. So what would you pay if you have this dream house? What would you pay monthly for mortgage, for example, right? Or whatever it is for you. So just write down all these numbers, and then you will figure out what is that number that you need for yourself, and figure out the monthly income goal target that you want to hit with your business, right? And it's really important to be specific with this, okay? Don't be broad, okay? Like, pick specific number. If someone just randomly says, okay, I want to make $50,000 a month, like, if you never like put some thought into that, like, it's not that motivational, right? But if you write down exactly why this number, like, you know why this number, what is the reason behind it, why you picked it, it's much more specific, it's much more reasonable for you to actually aim for that goal. So when it comes to business, pick specific number. If you are setting goals for anything else, just be specific, right? How much you want to lose, like if you are trying to lose weight, right? Or if you are trying to gain weight, what is the goal for you, right? Whatever it is, just be specific and set your target. Now the second step is to define your reason why, and this is super important. This is one of the biggest reasons why many people actually broke their New Year's resolution and never achieved their goals. Because simply, if you just set a goal but you don't figure out what is the reason you want to hit that goal, what is the deeper reason why you are doing this, like, you will simply not be that motivated, and when comes some obstacle, or your mind will basically convince you that, okay, it's not comfortable to do that, and you become lazy, whatever it is, and you give up on your goals, on your targets, on your New Year's resolution, it's because it's not that important for you, okay? So if you set your goals, in this example again, it's your monthly income goal when it comes to your business, you need to figure out and write down all the reasons why you are doing it, okay? And the best way to figure out is ask yourself, if your monthly income goal again is $50,000 a month, ask yourself, why I wanna generate $50,000 a month every single month? What is the reason? And you can write down the reason, right? I wanna be financially free. I wanna quit my job. I wanna take my wife on the vacation that she deserves, right? Whatever it is for you, and then go deeper. why I want to bring my wife to the vacation, why I want to buy this house, why I want to be financially free. And go deep, always ask why, always go deeper, deeper and deeper, because more deep you go and like the bigger reason why you find, more likely you will not give up on your goals, more likely you will not actually stop doing on daily basis, like producing activity that will actually allow you to hit that goal. Okay, so most people give up because they don't do this, they have no reason why they are doing it. So like even small obstacle, when a small obstacle comes into their way, they just give up. So find your reason why, go deep, and bigger the why, more likely you will be able to overcome any obstacle and finally reach your goals. Step number 3 is to create a specific game plan. Now, you set your target, you know why you are doing this. Now the question is, how will you actually achieve this target, right? Again, many people set some big goal and they don't like create a game plan, like broken down into daily activities, what they need to do in order to achieve that goal. So in this scenario, again, if we are talking about business and what we are doing with my clients, when we have a big goal, let's say it's again $50,000 a month, to keep this example, $50,000 a month. All right, for some people it may seem like a big unreachable goal, right? For other people it's like, okay, it's minimum I'm doing per month, $50,000 per month. Obviously, this is just an example, but for some people it seems unreachable, it seems big. So what is important here is to break down that $50,000 a month, or whatever your goal is, into smaller pieces and broke it down into like weekly goal, daily goals, right? What do you need to do to actually achieve this goal? So what we are doing with my clients, if they again set, for example, $50,000 a month goal, first of all, we figure out, okay, what is the price of your offer, right? So if my client is selling $5,000 offer, how many clients he need, right? So he write down, I need 10 clients a month, right? Because 10 clients a month at $5,000 is $50,000. 10 clients a month. How many clients I need per week? How many per day, right? And again, we broke down also, okay, if I need 10 clients, how many scheduled calls, right? How many sales calls I need to do to get 10 clients? Usually my clients close minimum of 20%, that's like bare minimum, worst case scenario. So it would be, in this case, if I need 10 clients, it would be 50 calls a month, right? So 50 sales calls a month. How many calls per week? I'm not able to calculate it right now from my head, but you get the point, right? You basically broke down these numbers into daily activities, so you know exactly, okay, every single day I need to generate this amount of sales calls, this amount of sales to reach my income goal at the end of the month. Does it make sense? So it's like, for you, it gives you clarity. You know exactly what to do on daily basis, and that big goal that you set right now seems much more achievable, right? You broke it down into small steps. Right now, even for you, like if you've been listening to it, $50,000 per month, again, maybe it sounded like a big goal for you, but if we broke it down, okay, we need just 10 clients a month, we need just 50 sales calls a month, right? And if we broke it down to daily numbers, it's even lower. So again, create specific game plan for you. This is business example, but again, if you are trying to lose weight, whatever it is, just again, create specific game plan. Every single day for the 30 days, I will avoid sugar, for example, right? Or I will work out 5 times a week, right? So just be specific. What will you actually do? What is your game plan? How will you actually achieve that goal? Because it's one thing to set a goal, but if you are not doing anything to achieve that goal in the first place, you will never achieve it, right? So create specific game plan. Now, step number 4 is super important. Measure your daily activities, okay? You want to track if you are actually moving forward, if you are really doing what you set to do in a previous step where you created a game plan, right? So again, if in this business example, when we broke down, okay, how many strategy sessions we need, with my clients, we go even deeper. We know exactly how many leads you need, how many visitors to your website you need, etc., right? Or how many cold outreach messages you need to send out, whatever the strategy is. And then we basically put it into the spreadsheet and we track on daily basis if we are actually on track, right? So if I know that I should send 20 cold outreach messages and I should generate at least 3 sales calls a day, like I need to write it down every single day, because that's what will actually hold me accountable, right? That's what's holding my clients accountable. Because if you are not tracking it, you will not do it, right? You will simply not do it. So In this example, again, you know exactly your numbers, you know what you'd be doing every single day. So it's important to track it, okay? How many cold outreach messages I sent today? How many calls I had today? How many sales I closed today, right? And if you see, okay, today I just sent 10 cold outreach messages, you will immediately get that feedback that, okay, I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. I should get to work, right? I should, like, if I really want to reach that goal, and you should remind yourself about why you are doing it, right? Remember step 2, why you are doing it, that big reason why. If you see you are not really doing it and you are procrastinating or whatever it is, you are settling, you should remind yourself about what is that goal, why you are doing it, and immediately get to work and get back on track. So it's important to track it. Again, the same thing with your fitness goals, for example, right? Or relationship goals, whatever the goal is for you. Like if you say you will go 5 times a week to the gym, are you doing it? Like you should be tracking it again every single day. Am I going to the gym today, right? Was I in the gym? If not, why? So the same thing, track it every single day. That will allow you to actually achieve this goal. So this is the 4-step formula. Again, to repeat it, first, set your target. Second, figure out the reason why you actually want to hit this target. What is that deep, big reason that will move you forward and allow you to overcome any obstacle, any problem that come into your way. Third, create specific game plan. What will you actually do to reach that goal, right? What is your plan? What will you do on daily basis? What are the activities that you can measure? And 4, measure the daily activities, right? Measure and track if you are actually doing the activities that you promised to yourself that you will do in order to achieve that goal. So this is it, 4-step formula. Right now, we have an internal system with my clients and a worksheet and a specific tracker that we use to actually set this up and figure out the goal, figure out the game plan, reason why, and then actually track the process. So if you would like to get it absolutely for free, this is only for my clients right now who are paying me like thousands of dollars to be part of my coaching program. But because you are on my YouTube channel right now, if you would like to get this worksheet and this tracker for free, just comment down below, give me the worksheet. Okay, leave a comment, give me the worksheet, and I will send it to you. Okay, I will give you the link so you can download it. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you did, smash that like button, leave a comment below, especially if you want that worksheet, and make sure to hit that subscribe button as well and share it with your friends so more people can actually get value from it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for sticking around. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it below and make sure to comment I watched it until the end so we boost YouTube algorithm to show it to more people. Also, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe down below so that you don't miss any of my upcoming content, and click over here to check out my next videos, and I will see you there. Bye.